Hi everyone, I'm Xingci, a history major from FASS. Today, the news that I'll be presenting will be about the discovery of an extremely distant galaxy by the Hubble Space Telescope through the use of a cosmic magnifying glass. I found this article on 20th October online from the website astronomy.com. Astronomy.com is the online platform for the magazine Astronomy. It provides frequent updates on new discoveries made by astronomers and practically just any information about space and astronomy, as the website itself suggests. So, using a giant cosmic magnifying glass, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope spotted one of the furthest, faintest, and smallest galaxies that was ever observed. And this galaxy is estimated to be over 13 billion light-years away from Earth. The cosmic magnifying glass that we are talking about here refers to the Mammoth galaxy cluster, Abell 2744, which is also known as the Pandora's cluster. The giant cosmic magnifying glass caused a phenomenon called gravitational lensing that allowed the astronomers to find this new and extremely distant galaxy. I will explain more about how the gravitational lensing works later. This newfound galaxy is like a tiny blob when compared to the size of our Milky Way galaxy. It measures 850 light-years across and only has the mass of 40 million suns as compared to our Milky Way galaxy that is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. The star formation rate on the newfound galaxy is only one-third of the star formation rate on Milky Way. This means that it forms only one star every 3 years. But even so, scientists have said that it is rapidly evolving and efficiently forming stars given its low mass and small size. Some sciences behind the discovery. As mentioned in earlier slides, gravitational lensing is a phenomenon that allowed scientists to discover this new galaxy. Large galaxy clusters are extremely massive and they can cause gravitational lensing to occur. In this case, as I mentioned earlier, the newfound galaxy was blocked by the Mammoth galaxy cluster Abell 2744, which is also known as the Pandora's cluster. As you can see from the illustration, it is the gravity of the Pandora's cluster that is between the observatory light path of the scientists on Earth and the newfound galaxy that acted like a lens to redirect the light rays. When that happens, the gravitational lens would create multiple magnified images of the newfound galaxy, as you can see here and here. Each magnified image makes the galaxy appear as much as 10 times larger and brighter than it would look without the intervening lens. According to scientists, galaxies like this newfound one are probably small clumps of matter that are starting to form stars and shine light, but do not have a defined structure yet. Hence, it is possible that we are only seeing one bright clump that is being magnified through gravitational lensing as opposed to the entire thing. This might also be why this newfound galaxy is smaller than other typical field galaxies of this age. Some impacts of the discovery. Through the discovery of this new galaxy, I feel that we can have a deeper and clearer understanding of how our Milky Way galaxy came about and evolved over time. Looking at the growth of this new galaxy will allow us to understand how our universe was like when it was only about 500 million years old, as opposed to its current age of 13.8 billion years. Although scientists have made several discoveries over the course of the past decade, this new galaxy offers us a new perspective, for it is smaller and fainter than most of the other remote objects that have been discovered to date. Besides, it also showed us the importance and usefulness of gravitational lensing in the observation of objects that are extremely distant from Earth. It will give us a clearer image of what is out there in the vast space. However, we must also note that what we are able to observe is being magnified many times due to gravitational lensing and is not the actual size of the object. So how do I feel about this new discovery? I feel that it is very fascinating to see and learn how a galaxy is formed over time along with its evolution. Although we have already learned about the formation of the solar system, seeing a real life example of a new galaxy being discovered and forming is extremely interesting to me. By doing our own research and finding out more about these discoveries, it gave me a very refreshing perspective on learning about our universe as opposed to just sitting in the LT and reading from the lecture notes. It makes the learning process come alive. Also, learning about the gravitational lensing through the research of this discovery adds on to my knowledge of how scientists could observe and analyze things that are so far away from Earth. It makes me wonder just how much more that we can learn and see, and just how much more is unknown to us and waiting for us to be discovered. Yeah, so all in all, it's a very refreshing approach to learning this subject, and I think it is a very good opportunity for us to all learn something new. That's all. Thank you.